Hi everyone, Crystal back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing a swap that I put together recently for craftpurge's annual Christmas swap. I'm not sure, I just saw a quick thing on her Instagram, and so I said I would join. And so these are the projects that I created. You were to make, she gave like a list of 5 things that you can pick from off of the list. So the 5 I chose was to share some trim, to make poinsettia flowers, what else? Bows, a shaker mix, a sequence mix, and to have like a store-bought goodie. So this is how my swap partners will be getting. I don't know who I have because it's random, but these are how they will come. I don't know why this one's a little bit more poofier than this one. Maybe I put too much shred in this one, but this is how they'll come, all packaged with this bow from the Dollar Tree that I put together here, and some of this, like, I don't even know what this stuff is called, but some like more trim. So that's how they're gonna come. And I left one unpackaged so I can share with you guys what I created. So the first thing are these, it's like a sequin mix, and I used a dye from my stash. I think this is from KLJUYP store. And so this is what I created, and the shaker mix that I created, there's like little Santa faces in there, peppermints, and some of these pink little iridescent flowers. We have a little bit of red, some more pinks, some whites, but this is inspired by Frank Garcia's newest collection. I forgot what the heck it's called. I think it's called Peppermint something. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So I just added some ephemera pieces from the collection here, and cut out these leaves out of a die that I think I got from Hobby Lobby. But I love how it cuts out this intricate kind of leaf. And so yeah, that's kind of how it is. Unfortunately, they're gonna have to bust it open or cut it open because I sealed it in here. Because this thing kind of like peeks up, so there's like a gap here. So I said, no way, I'm gonna seal that in. So there's that. And then I also did I shared some trim from my stash. This is some trim, like it's like a minty blue, teal blue, like loopy kind of trim. And then I have this pink with gold trim there, and then green with gold. Then I just did a little teeny cluster with some of the ephemera pieces in the corner. And there's that. So those are those 2 things. And then for my main project, I wanted to create something that can hold the rest of the embellishments that I made. So I followed Bona's tutorial. Bona had this tutorial on how to make this. It's like a book box. And so I love how it turned out. I'll link the tutorial for you guys down below. So here is a little dangle that I created. And I just added a bunch of different charms on here from my stash. Some of these were given like in previous swaps. This one I just purchased from Ariel. And so I love that little house. And then I have a little Santa hat here. One of these little snowflakey things from Hobby Lobby, some bells in 3 different colors. And then I thought that the spine looked so plain, so I added this like golden spine here and did some of this crisscrossing, I don't know what you call this situation, to the spine, and it looks all fuzzy and so cute. And I'm so glad I added this because it reminds me of those like golden books with the gold spine. So yeah. And then here is I think this is a shaker die. Yeah, this is a shaker die from KS Craft. It's a Christmas shaker. It's actually a Memory Decks And so I did one a shaker and the other two not a shaker. So I just love how this looks. So cute. I just used some ephemera pieces from the collection and did a little cluster and a little scene over here at the bottom. I added these 2 gold snowflakes from Michael's, and then I added an ephemera piece here just to kind of balance out with, you know, what it looks like, or balance out the front. And then here's the box. I chose mine because you can do a box where you can open here or open here. I chose the top opening. And so inside houses, these are the larger of the 2 poinsettias that I made. And so one has like a little glittered edge, and then the other one doesn't. I don't know if you could tell the difference through this plastic, but one's glittered and one's not, which is how I wanted it. And then in here again, I have the baby version. So here's the bigger, and then here's the baby version. And then this one I alternated gold leaves and then silver leaves. So you can choose whatever one you like. This one I did the gold little baby ball fillers. And then this one I did just this, like, I don't know what the heck you call that, like a clear gem. So there's that. And then these are the 2 bows that I created, because you're to make 2 bows or a set of bows. And mine I added, this is some of that Hobby Lobby like snowball kind of snowballs, I guess you can say, that you put in snow globes. So I alternated. I did a green base and then a pink base. And I just love how these turned out. So cute. And then the last thing, oh yeah, you're supposed to make a like a shaker embellishment. So this is my shaker embellishment. You can either use it as a tag, because I did do a hanging element. So you can either use it as a tag, or you could just use it as an embellishment. It's up to you, or up to the person that gets it. But yeah, I love how this little one turned out. So cute. I just wanted to play with a bunch of dies that I got, or some dies that I got that have just not been used. And so that's what I did there. And look at these little pom-pom nose. So cute. I didn't want to do red because, I don't know, I should have, because it was just too much going on. So anyways, that is my swap that I'm going to be sending off. This is actually due on Saturday, so this needs to go out. So I will wrap this last one up and get it out in the mail. Oh, and then for my store-bought, this is what I'm including. Here's the trim that I'm gonna wrap it up in, but here is a chocolate bar, and I just love it because it coordinated with this whole theme that I was kind of going for. So I did include that. And then I also included these socks from the 99-cent only store, and they're pink and mint, and it's a llama, and it's so cute. And again, it coordinated, and I'm just including a candy cane. So yeah, I still have to wrap this one up. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.